The P0304 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your vehicle's engine control module has detected a misfire, specifically in cylinder number 4 of your engine. The engine control module, or ECM, is your car's main computer that continuously monitors engine performance using data from multiple sensors throughout the vehicle. A misfire occurs when a cylinder fails to fire properly during the combustion process. This means the air-fuel mixture in cylinder 4 is not igniting correctly or not igniting at all. When cylinder 4 misfires, you'll experience reduced engine power, rough idling, and potentially serious damage to your catalytic converter if left unrepaired. To understand which cylinder is affected, we need to look at engine cylinder numbering. In most engines, cylinders are numbered sequentially, and cylinder 4 refers to the 4th cylinder in the firing order. Modern diagnostic tools have become increasingly sophisticated. Advanced OBD2 scanners and smartphone-connected devices now provide real-time misfire data with cylinder-specific monitoring capabilities. Stricter emission standards have made misfire detection more sensitive than in previous years, meaning P0304 codes now trigger faster when cylinder 4 performance drops below acceptable levels. The most common causes of P0304 codes fall into 4 main categories. Ignition system issues account for 40 to 50% of cases, including faulty spark plugs and defective ignition coils. Fuel system problems account for 25 to 30% of P0304 cases, with clogged fuel injectors being the most common culprit, along with fuel pump issues and contaminated fuel. Mechanical issues represent 15 to 20% of cases and include low compression in cylinder 4, valve problems, and head gasket failures. Air and vacuum system issues account for the remaining 5 to 10% of P0304 codes. The first step in troubleshooting P0304 is confirming the code with a professional-grade OBD2 scanner. This ensures accurate diagnosis and reveals any additional related codes. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of cylinder 4 components. Look for obvious damage, loose connections, or worn parts that could cause misfiring. A simple but effective diagnostic technique is swapping the ignition coil from cylinder 4 with another cylinder. If the misfire moves to the new location, you've identified a faulty coil. Examine the spark plug from cylinder 4 carefully. Check the gap measurement and look for signs of wear, fouling, or damage that indicate replacement is needed. If ignition components check out, test the fuel injector for cylinder 4. Use a multimeter to check resistance and ensure proper electrical operation. For persistent misfires, perform a compression test to check for mechanical issues like worn piston rings, valves, or head gasket problems in cylinder 4. Based on your diagnosis, common repairs for P0304 include replacing spark plugs or ignition coils, cleaning fuel injectors, and fixing vacuum leaks. Always use quality parts and follow proper procedures. After completing repairs, clear the diagnostic codes and take the vehicle for a test drive. Monitor for code recurrence and implement preventive maintenance like regular spark plug replacement and fuel system cleaning to prevent future P0304 codes.